When I'm really wanting a quick lunch, I always turn to canned tuna. It's so versatile, just like tuna melts, which is a tuna sandwich with loads of cheese on it. It's a fantastic combination. It's a classic combination. But instead of doing this in bread, I'm going to wrap it up in a tortilla pocket. This is all the rage and it's a pretty cool technique. So we'll start with our tuna filling. So 2 cans of tuna. I like to use the tuna in spring water because we're going to be adding some mayonnaise to it, some cheese. So this is just a lighter touch, and we'll just break it up with a spoon. I'm going to be using 2 cans, so we can make 4 of these. And just to ensure that everything's quite even, just use your spoon just to shred it. All right, happy with that. So into a bowl. And to this, some classic flavours. I love the crunch of celery. It's such a great addition to this, along with 2 spring onions. And I prefer to use spring onions than onions for this, just for a milder flavour, as opposed to a full brown onion or a red onion. So we want to go all the way up to where it starts to go a dark green. So just the white and light part into our bowl. To that, I'll add some lemon juice. So a good squeeze of lemon, bit of a squeeze in there. And to bind the whole thing together, mayonnaise. Now, we all know tuna mayonnaise are the best, and tuna melts, well, they have to have mayonnaise in it. So we'll give that a good mix. Here is where you could get adventurous by adding a hint of spice, so some Tabasco would be quite nice. Also, loads of herbs would be a nice addition too. I'm keeping it just super, super simple, so it's really all about that tuna. All right, now to assemble. Now, I've just been warming up my tortillas in the microwave, and this is a crucial part to make sure that your tortillas are pliable. So use some good quality tortillas. These are large tortillas. The larger they are, the easier they are going to be to roll up. So we're going to cut this in half, straight down the centre. And I'm going to fold in one side, just like that. I'll grab a spoonful of our tuna mixture. We'll place that on the base. And the cheese, I'm just using classic cheddar, sliced cheddar. Pop that on top. You can even break it up if you like. And then to fold this, so we're looking for that triangle parcel. So we'll start from one side and bring that over, then fold again. So we've got that triangle, and now we just need to tuck in this little pocket. So we'll just pop that in there, and then fold that over and press down to seal it off. And that is our first little pocket. How cute is that? So you can imagine as I toast this in the pan, that cheese is going to melt. It's going to be a lovely little bundle. I'm gonna make a few more of these and then just spray them with a little oil and then toast them for about a minute on each side until they warm through. These little pockets look fantastic, toasted on both sides, piping hot. We'll just pile them up onto a plate. Just a few here and there. And I like to serve these with some pickles. So just to cut through the richness of the cheese, why not? I like that zingy flavour. So these are just some Middle Eastern pickles. You could use whatever you like though. And a wedge of lemon. And that right there is the ultimate tuna melt. Forget about square bread, it's all about the tortillas. Well, I'm gonna have a taste of this, a fantastic, very simple lunch. You can see all that tuna in there. It's really juicy because of that mayonnaise, and then the cheese just binds it all together. I love these, they're a real treat.